safe. So today we have to discuss some multiplications. See here, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Yes. So how many times here is there? 1, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So observe carefully here. So we can write as, written as 3 to the power of 5. Okay. So how we are reading this one? 3 to the power of 5. Okay. So this is called as exponent or power, and this 3 is called as base. So today our topic is exponents and powers. 10 to the power of 9. So we have to read like this also, 10 raised to the power of 9. Okay. So the next topic is power with a negative exponent. So the power with the negative exponent, for example, 10 to the power of minus 2. So here it is positive power is there, but here we have negative power, that is negative exponent. So how we have to write this one? So this is, we have to write like this, 1 by 10 to the power of plus 2. 1 by 10 to the power of positive exponent. Here we are having the negative exponent. How we are converting this one? 1 by 10 to the power of positive exponent. Okay. For example, I am taking 3 to the power of minus 3. So what is the answer? It is 1 by 3 to the power of, here we are having the negative power, negative exponent. So now how we can write? 1 by 3 to the power of positive exponent. So 1 by 3 to the power of 3. Okay. So okay. Now we have to discuss about laws of exponents. So see here, I am taking one example. 3 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 4. This 3 to the power of 2 we can read as 3 square also, into 3 to the power of 4. How we can write this one? In 3 into 3. 3 square means 3 2 times. 3 into 3. Into 3 again 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Listen it carefully. First 3 square means 3. How many times we can multiply? 2 times. So 3 into 3. Now 3 to the power of 4 means how many times we can multiply here? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now total how many times is there here? 1, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. How many times is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 to the power of 6. 3 to the power of 6. So is it possible to write this is 3 to the power of 2 plus 4? 6 means we can write 2 plus 4, which are having here exponents. So it finally what we got here, 3 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 4 equals to 3 to the power of, we can write as 2 plus 4, which is equals to 3 to the power of 6. So generally we can write as a to the power of m into a to the power of n equals to a to the power of m plus n. So this is one law in exponents. Yes, next example. I am taking 5 to the power of 6 by 5 to the power of 4. How we can write 5 to the power of 6 means 5 times 6 times 5. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 to the power of 6 by 5 to the power of 4. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 4 times. Okay. So the simplification, how we can simplify this one? 5 get cancelled. In the numerator and denominator 5 get cancelled, and here also 5 5 5 5. So at last what we got here, only 5 into 5. That means 5 to the power of 2. Okay. So we can write written as like this also. 5 to the power of 6 by 5 to the power of 4 equals to 5 to the power of 6 minus 4. 5 to the power of 6 minus 4. So which is equals to 5 square. Okay. So in general form, a to the power of m by a to the power of n equals to a to the power of m minus n. Here one condition is that if m is greater than n.